Okay, hello, I'm Beth the Builder and still a little sick, or at least still recovering. So if you can, I would just recommend staying healthy. That's way better than being sick for like a week. So this video might be a little bit shorter because, yeah, I'm just trying to stay on the mend so that I can travel for Christmas and, you know, just generally feel better. So I'm gonna wood burn a fun thing, but I have gotten this wire to make new tips for my wood burner. And if you have a wood burner like mine, you should just be able to buy this type of wire. So this is 18 gauge. I have it written down because I forgot. Yeah, so this is 50 feet of 18 gauge Nichrome wire, and that should be basically what you need if you want to make your own tips. It's way cheaper than buying pre-made ones, even though obviously it is really convenient to just get them pre-made. This is $11. So you get 50 feet, and then I'm just gonna use my needle nose pliers to bend them into the shapes I want. And they're not gonna be, at least as I get the hang of it, like they're not gonna be as perfect as the ones you would buy, but $11 versus like, I think if you look them up, like you can get like 20 tips for like 15 to 20 bucks or something, which is a ripoff because it's literally like you're talking about maybe like a foot of wire that they're selling you and they're all pre-bent. It's dumb. This is $11, 18 gauge. That's all you kind of need to know. And if you want it in the diameter, it's 0.048 inch in diameter. And if you have a machine like mine, again, this should fit your pens. So yeah, huge shout out to the person who has been emailing me about his wood burning stuff. Thank you so much. You're freaking cool. I really appreciate your feedback and like keep wood burning. And if you want to like do some cool Christmassy things with this, they would make really cool gifts. You could do Christmas stuff, ornaments, plaques, etc., and wood burn some Christmassy things. This person who emailed me, I have known about this, I just never done it. He said that he uses a carbon paper to transfer designs onto wood, which I'm totally gonna do in the future because that's such a good idea. Like, dang. So I mostly just freehand mine, or I use some really basic, like looking at some pictures or kind of basic stencils, but I thought that was a great idea, so that's another thing to put on your list of wood burning things along with the wire. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Pretty simple. I'll bend some tips, but really like I'm just gonna use my needle nose pliers. Pretty simple. And then you can bend them into whatever shape. I'm assuming if you wanted to make them like the flat ones for shading, they look like this, you'd have to flatten that tip. So I'm assuming maybe you'd have to heat it somewhat and then hammer it to get that flat tip for shading. I'll have to experiment with that because I am way too tired for that sort of thing right now. But yeah, so wood burning stuff makes really cool gifts because it's not something that everyone's just gonna go and do. They're not just gonna have a setup for wood burning. So they can make some really cool gifts and you can make whatever you want. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. I hope everyone stays healthy and safe and warm. It is very cold here. We've had a shitload of snow, which I love. Wearing my Christmas sweater from one of my favorite Christmas movies, Christmas Vacation, which you should watch. That there is an RV. So pretty Christmassy. So without further ado, let's get into it. And you know, yeah, thanks for watching. Check out the description if you want to support me in any of those ways. That would be great.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say
Alrighty, so Merry Christmas. I hope you appreciate these guys. It definitely makes a big difference wood burning with new tips. I had been using the same ones and some of them I didn't like as much, so I didn't use them as much, but definitely makes a big difference because there's not that carbon buildup. So yeah, $11 and you can make all the tips you want. So found this on Amazon, 18 gauge. That's what you need to know. And it has to be Nichrome, which means it can withstand a high enough heat so it doesn't melt. So that's why that is what it is. And it's not just like regular spool wire, like silver or nickel or whatever. Yeah, this is Dale Gribble, in case you don't know who that is from King of the Hill. Guns don't kill people, the government does. So that's some political commentary for you. I just really like Dale Gribble. I think he's like my spirit animal. And then some fun Christmas stuff from Christmas Vacation. I am actually gonna make people ornaments for Christmas. I have a log I've been chopping up for wood rounds to make cool ornaments and wood burn those. So they make a really simple gift, honestly. So, you know, go ahead and do that. If you got a big old saw, that really helps, and then wood burn away. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging in there while I'm sick and all the things. So yeah, thank you. I will have more videos soon, a little bit more complex on maybe even how I'm gonna bend these, because some of them turned out a little funny, but honestly, like, it's not a big deal. They work. So I feel like you mostly, like this guy, he looks pretty good. Yeah, this is almost as good as one that you'd buy. So figured it out. Yeah, I hope you appreciate these. That's all I got. So get yourself some wire, because it definitely makes a big difference in wood burning. Just burns faster, hotter, better, all the things. It really does make a difference having better tips, because eventually they are just very, very black and just really coated in carbon, and they just don't burn as well. So you can see this one's shiny and this one's not. So definitely more cost effective than buying individual tips or a pack of them or something, where you're probably paying for about a foot or so of wire, and it's more expensive than a spool. 50 feet, $11. So with that useful bit of advice, I will maybe not have a new video next week. I'll see if I can be ambitious and get another one out soon, but I am going to be traveling, so I may also miss next week, and I apologize because, yeah, just being sick and everything has just really put me back. So stay healthy, stay safe, have a great Christmas, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the flippity flip.